One of the things about this property is the history. It used to be a mill that for many generations powered different types of industry. And there was a dam that was used to help retain the water and power the mill. About 10 years after we acquired the property, we realized that the dam was structurally deteriorating, and also it's an impediment for fish that swim upstream to spawn. So we worked with many different parties, partners like Fish and Wildlife Service, like Connecticut Fund for the Environment Save the Sound, other state and local agencies to raise funds to remove the dam. In 2016, the dam was removed. On site, there were all these people cheering because they had spent so much time and effort trying to figure out how we raise the funds. Since then, the preserve has really taken on a new life. It's a really interesting project because you have basically all of a sudden this blank slate that when the water recedes, there's nothing growing there.
Already in 2 to 3 years following dam removal, we've seen an incredible increase in both the diversity and the assemblage of fish and wildlife, plants and animals that are able to use this site. We know that fish weren't getting up here before because there was a barrier that prevented them from doing so. And so to be able to track species upstream now, we know that they're migrating all the way through this restored stretch of the river. A lot of the migratory species like alewives and blueback herrings will come back year after year. And so this stretch of river becomes imprinted on them. And so they'll return back out to the open ocean, but they'll continue to come back up to this stretch of river to spawn. And that's a really important piece for us, is to be able to give that historic environment back to these fish. This now is a nature preserve. It's behind a housing complex. And so we're very fortunate here to be in a very urban area with a incredible diversity of people living here and have a space where you can come and learn about nature and experience it. See a river, connect to your environment is really special and unique here.
So there's just this sense of awe, really, you know. Not only do they get the flood protection that's built in with the project, but all of a sudden you get this restored area that's useful now for recreation. And the schools come down here and use it as part of educational opportunities. And all of a sudden you have a free-flowing river. And the sound of that rippling of the water is just really something you can't describe until you experience it.